So ayan, Sophia cleaning her bike, guys. Ayan. Take out this one already. This one from the paper from her bike. There. Can you try it? Sige.
Not yet.
Try it. Can you try it? But we're gonna go in the park, alright?
Alright.
So that you can go bike.
Let's see.
Sige.
Dad helped me and I could.
Try it.
I don't need any help.
Wow. Sige, try your best. Ayan, Sophia, guys. Sige, push. There you go. Wow. You like it? Sige. Wow. There you go. Oops, that's it. Turn around. Oops. Sige. You need to pedal it. There you go. Wow. You like it? Wow. Sophia new bike, guys. She said she like it. Come on. We're gonna put it inside over here so that it will not get wet, okay?
Okay.
Or inside the garage if you're done playing on it. We're gonna go in the park. You wanna go in the park later to bring your bike?
Today?
Yeah, today. Later if no more sun, alright? Alright?
We need to get some gear.